Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and today we are going to pick a winner, or 4 winners, maybe more. We'll just have to see. So, everybody who was, or who is, if you haven't said the code word as of now, then oh well, because it is the evening of the 12th. It's 8:36 p.m. according to my computer, and I'm ready to go to bed. So let's get this going. So we're going to open the YouTube random comment picker, and somewhere around here I'm supposed to put the... There we go. So let's go here, and we're going to copy that. Okay. And we're going to paste that. And add comment replies. No. And we're going to filter duplicate users. All righty. So we're going to have... I'll just keep hitting new winner. What's 5 plus 7? Is that 12? Yeah. Okay, so is my number lock on? Yep, it is. Okay, so free users can get max 500 comments. Well, I know I don't have 500 comments, so this should be a pretty we have 92 comments. Alrighty, I didn't think we had that many. Well, you still have to have the code word in there. So, alrighty, here we go. Let us pick our first winner, and we will see if they use the word calico. I don't pay for that service, so we're going to have to just look at it ourselves. So, are we ready? I have my my notebook right here to write the winners down and for them to contact me. Now, when you contact me, if you are a winner, I will ask you to alter the comment that you already made. And to do that, you will come here and you will click these 3 dots by your name. Oh, no, well, yes, you will. And it'll have edit on yours. It will have edit. And you click the edit, and then you add the new word onto your original comment. So let us find out who the winners are. Let's start with, here's number 1. Robin.s. Let's see if you use... Yes, I see calico right here. So, Robin.s. Will you please email me? And if your email is a different name, please tell me what your YouTube name is. Okay, let's go for winner number 2. Let's pick one more. Wendy McJanet. Okay, let's see if she used calico. Nope, she already has one. So we will pick a different winner. Thank you, Wendy. Oh, that didn't... I don't know what I did. Pick another winner. I removed something. Marie Estes. There is the word calico right here. She had 5 calicos, 4 darker and 1 mute. I think. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So Marie Estes, if you please email me. My email is in the description box. Okay, you guys ready for winner number 4 or 3? Winner number 3. Here we go. Afraid Not. There's the word calico right here. Okay, so Afraid Not. Please send me an email. I'm writing your name down right now. Okay. Let's pick winner number 4. There are going to be 4 winners. Okay, here comes number 4. Patsy Schull. And here's the word calico right here. So, Patsy Schull. I hope I said that correctly. Oh, S-C-H, not S-H. U-L-L. 2846. Okay. I'm feeling generous. Let's pick another winner. Let's pick winner number 5. Purple 24. Does she have the name Calico? Yep, she does. Okay, so we have Purple 24. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 6. So let's get, pick another winner. This will be winner number 6. Adrian Gilfillan. Okay, I don't see, and yes, I was wearing a Happy to Hook Lisa Grinch hat. Let's see, I don't see where her
some more challenges.
comment said. Yes, she has calico right here. Okie dokie. So, let me write that down. That was winner number 6. I-E-N. I need to learn how to spell. Alrighty. Okay. Let's pick 2 more. And then I'm going to have to be done. That'll be 8 winners. So, here we go. Pick another winner. Donna Kosh. A-U-R. I'm guessing. Kaush. And she has the word calico. Okay, so Donna. That was number 7. Donna Kosh. 6763. Okay, this will be the last one, number 8. Here we go. Okay, so this one, Carol, she already has one, so we will pick a different one. Okie dokie. Okay, Tony Chrysostomu. And Mimi has 2 calico cats. I actually have 3. We have one that lives in the house. Yes, one that lives in the house, and her name is Maisie. Okie dokie. So, Tony, I'm not sure how to say that last name. There you go. You are my 8th winner. CHRYSOSTOMOU 2559. Okay, so I went from 4 winners to 8 winners. That's about as many as I can afford right now. I would love to be able to afford to buy you all one, but alas, I cannot do that. So, I have 8 winners. If you guys, all the 8 winners, please email me, and I will give you a word to change in your original comment. So, whenever we come to the comment, you will come over here and you will click these 3 buttons right here. You will press edit and then add the word at the end of the comment. So, congratulations to my 8 winners. So, yes, we are done. So, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.